Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to increase your download speed in Google Chrome on PC or laptop, of course. So in general, I'm not going to give you any magic trick to magically improve your download speed in a way that if you have a bad and slow internet, this will not fix you. Maybe it will help a little, but just, have realistic expectations as to the ceiling of your actual provider download and upload speed, so that you're realistic about it. And with that out of the way, there is one specific flag that you can enable in Chrome that will actually enable a feature called parallel downloading. So that will actually speed up your downloads by quite a bit if you're opting into actually downloading through the browser. So how do you enable it? You need to type in Chrome. Okay, and then you need to just delete this and type in flags. There you go to flags. And in here, guys, just type in parallel. And as you can see, I already have it enabled. I don't really even download through the browser. I just use other apps, but make sure that this is set to enabled, not default or disabled. Okay. As you can see, enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. So this is exactly what we need. So this will work 100% because you see other apps, like for example, Free Download Manager, they already allow you to use the download method in parallel. So your browser pretty much turns and takes that functionality in the browser itself. And yeah, it will improve the speed. Or if you want, guys, we already made videos about this. If you want to use a third-party downloader like this one, for example, it's literally perfect. It's free and it's just amazing. So you can. If not, I found this to be the most reliable flag to increase download speed and download your files faster. So enjoy downloading faster, guys. Once again, Chrome flags and parallel downloading. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.